In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira Cloud with Monday.com. Let's start inside your Monday.com account on the board where you want Jira issues to sync. Having the right board open keeps things organized and ensures the integration attaches to the correct place. At the top of Monday.com, click the small puzzle icon to open the Apps Marketplace. This is where you'll find officially supported integrations. You can also browse the marketplace from the main navigation and use the search bar there. It leads to the same place and is helpful if you're exploring additional tools later. In the marketplace search, type Jira. Look for the Jira integration that's marked as built-in or official. Choosing the built-in listing gives you the most reliable supported connection between Monday.com and Jira Cloud. Open the listing and click Use App. You may see a brief permission summary. This is normal. Integrations need access to your board and to Jira so they can read and write data. If your organization manages apps centrally, make sure you have the right permissions or loop in an admin. During this step, you may also be prompted to sign into your Jira Cloud account and approve access. Keep a Jira project handy so you can pick it during the configuration. Next, choose the workspace in Monday.com where you want to install the integration. Workspaces help keep teams separated, so pick the one that matches who will use the data. Then select the specific board you opened earlier. Confirm the board selection if prompted so the integration knows exactly where to create and update items. Click Add App to attach the integration to the board. You'll see integration recipes appear, which are pre-built automations connecting events in Jira to actions in Monday.com and vice versa. To get started quickly, click Use Template. Templates provide common flows like creating a Monday item when a Jira issue is created or keeping statuses in sync across both tools. As you apply a template, map the fields you care about, things like summary, description, status, priority, assignee, and due date. Match Jira fields to the appropriate Monday columns to keep data clean. If a column doesn't exist yet, create it first on your board so mappings are straightforward. It's a good idea to begin with a single Jira project and a small set of items to confirm the sync behaves as expected before you scale it out. Once saved, create a test issue in Jira or update an existing one and watch the corresponding item appear or update on your Monday board. You're all set, and your teams can now work in the tool they prefer while staying perfectly aligned.